Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and once again I am back in the kitchen, and today we are doing a smart home unboxing. What we're doing here is going to be the Gosund Smart Wall Light Switch from Amazon. Well, I bought it from Amazon. Its company manufacturer's name is Gosund, G-O-S-U-N-D. This is one piece in this box right here, and what this is, it is a standard light switch, but it is a smart light switch. This bad boy here will work with Amazon Alexa as well as Google Assistant. So I wanted to go ahead and share it with you. Before we get started, I want to say once again, for you guys that celebrate Christmas, I want to wish you guys, I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas. For those of you guys celebrate New Year's, I hope you have a Happy New Year's. I hope you all have an amazing 2019. If you want to reach out to me, guys, don't forget to reach out to me. You can reach out to me via the YouTube videos. Find me on Facebook, Jesse L. Falto on Facebook. You can find me at Mdevlspawn01 at Instagram. And don't forget, as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Enough of my yapping. Let's go ahead, let's get to it. Let's see what's in the box and go from there. Well, there we go, guys, and there is the box. As we can see here, we got a great bit of a nice picture there of somebody controlling it with the switch in the background. There's a nice image of the Gosund actual smart wall light switch there. Let you know that it works with Amazon Alexa. It also works with Google Assistant. Standard brown box side. On the back, it gives you, there's the barcode from Amazon. There is the QR reader, so you can download the Smart Life app. You download this app and set up register an account, and then it will give you app control over the devices as well, separate from the Alexa control, separate from the Google Home control. It gives you some information here, such as the model number, KS602S, the rated current, which is 15 amp maxes, rated voltage, which is 110 to 125, rated power 1650 watts, AC frequency 50-60 hertz, Wi-Fi frequency 2.5 hertz, power supply neutral plus live wire. That is super important. You got to make sure that if you're in a home, if it's older, before you order one of these, that it has a neutral, the white line available to you. It lets you know that it comes from Shenzhen Gosund Technology Company, their address in North Carolina, their support email, the website, the phone number, and their operating hours as well. Lets you know recycling and all that. Got the basic Hello Smart Home right here on the back, on the top as well. Let's go ahead, let's get it out of the box and take a look and see what it comes with. If I can pull the sleeve off, move that off to the side, like I said, basic brown box, nothing out of this world. Go ahead and slide it open, and boom, shakalaka, there she is. This is where the magic happens, ladies and gentlemen. We got here, let's go ahead and pull her out. This is the light switch. As you can see, it is a push button tap. There is no actual Decora toggle or anything. You just tap her and she works when you want to use her physically. On the back, we've got a warning, risk of electrical shock. This is a wiring. This is what I was talking about, the neutral. You got to make sure you have that white line. You have your line in, which is where your power is coming from. The red is the line out, the green is your ground, and white is the neutral. So you got to make sure that you have that when using this bad boy here. Let's go ahead and slide this over. And let's see what else is in the box. We've got here the set of mounting screws. Woohoo, that's pretty cool. We've got 4 wire nuts. That's nice that they bring those with you. Let's go ahead and take a look here. And then we've got a wall plate. She's got her own custom mounting wall plate. Let's see what we got here. I gotta be honest with you. It is a snap-on wall plate. So that is a trip. You cannot use your own wall plate. It has its own. Oh, it's thermoplastic, so that's cool. For those of you not in the know, thermoplastic, these are the flexible white wall plates. They're easier to mount. They're less likely to crack or break. But there you go. There is the mounting of her. Now, interestingly enough, you've got the mounting holes, and you've also got some standard screw holes. So it comes with a wall plate that has the manufacturer's logo on here, which is kind of cool, but kind of lame simultaneously, in my opinion. I can't blame them for marketing, but it also has 2 screw points here. So I think I'll try it out. I'll let you guys know in the comments, but I believe that you'll be able to actually mount it with a regular wall plate as well, too. So I'll find out when I'm actually setting this bad boy up. Let's see what else it comes with in here. In here, we've got here the smart wall light switch user manual. You've got your instructions, your faceplate indicator, power, all of that. Make sure you cut the power before you install, guys. Don't get yourself electrocuted. It's got your parameters, so on. Lets you know about installing the Smart Life app. It lets you know about connecting your smart switch with the app. It's got your basic AP mode, change safety mode if connection failed, and easy mode. I don't know what the hell that means, but I guess I got to read it some more. Smart Life app, and so on and so on. Lets you set up scenes, programs, and the works, and lets you know that you can enable skills with the different devices, Alexa and Google, and so on. But that's pretty much everything. That's everything that comes with it. I'm going to be looking forward to setting it up and getting it working. My wife thinks I'm insane that I've gone crazy with all this smart house stuff, but I am digging it, man, and I'm looking forward to doing each and every one of these. So we'll definitely go ahead and once I get it all set up, we'll take a look and see what it looks like and see how it works. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and get on right to this, guys. As always, I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.